Welcome. In this video we are learning the concepts on one of the important topic of grammar, that is article. It can be very handy while doing the error detection, sentence correction, phrase replacement, and close test. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. There are two articles, a or an and the. A or an is called the indefinite article, because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of, a ground, a cow. Indefinite means not sure. If you are talking about some random thing or person, then you use indefinite article. In the above example, a cow means a random cow. Similarly, a ground means any random ground and no one can be sure which we are talking about. The is called the definite article, because it normally points out some particular person or thing. For example, the cow, the ground. Definite article means a particular thing or person. If we say the before any noun, it means we are talking about a particular thing or person. In the above example, the cow means a particular cow. Similarly, the ground means a particular ground. Rules for definite articles. 1. Before a singular noun which is countable. Example: she bought a pen. He is eating an apple. 2. Before a name of a profession. For example, Aaron wants to be a doctor. 3. For certain expressions of quantity. For example, a lot of, a few, a couple, a dozen. 4. For certain numbers. For example, 100, 1,000, a million. 5. Before a singular, countable noun and exclamation. For example, what a beautiful flower. 6. Article a, and is not used before uncountable nouns. For example, water, milk, sand, etc. Rules for indefinite articles. The article that can be used both before a singular and plural noun according to the following grammatical rules. For example, the book, the books. 1. Before the place, object or group of object which is unique or considered to be unique and geographical region and points on globe. For example, the earth, the moon, the sky, the stars, the North Pole, the equator. 2. For a noun which becomes definite or particular because it is already mentioned and is being mentioned a second time. For example, the teacher helped the student and the student became happy. 3. For a noun made specific or definite in a clause or a phrase. For example, the old lady, the girl with blue eyes, the boy that I saw. 4. Before superlatives, and first, second, etc., and only. For example, the best day, the only method. 5. Before a phrase composed of a proper and common noun. For example, the New York City, the River Nile, the Library of Congress. 6. Before the names of organizations. For example, the Association of Chartered Accountants. The World Health Organization. 7. Article the is not used for names of universities if written in forms like Oxford University, Yale University, Columbia University. But article the is used if names of university are written in forms like the University of Oxford, the University of Yale, the University of Toronto. 8. Article the is not used for names of countries of places. For example, Lucknow, India, China, Japan, London. But article the is used for a name if it expresses a group of place, states, or land. For example, the United States, the Philippines, the Netherlands.